हेलो स्टूडेंट, नेक्स्ट कॉन्सेप्ट है हमारा डाल्टन्स एटॉमिक थ्योरी। डाल्टन्स एटॉमिक थ्योरी डाल्टन ने प्रपोज की थी 1908 में। इन्होंने इस थ्योरी में बहुत ही सिंपल कॉन्सेप्ट दिए थे, जैसे मैटर इज डिस्क्रीट मीन्स डिसकॉन्टिन्यूअस एंड इट इज मेड अप ऑफ द एटम्स मीन्स एन एटम इज द स्मॉलेस्ट individual part of an element which can be take part in a chemical reaction. Okay. सेकेंड कॉन्सेप्ट में उन्होंने बड़ा स्पष्ट बोला था, एटम्स आर सेम एलिमेंट्स, एटम्स ऑफ सेम एलिमेंट्स आर आइडेंटिकल इन ऑल कॉन्सेप्ट, साइज, शेप, स्ट्रक्चर, etc, स्पेशली वेट। एटम्स ऑफ डिफरेंट एलिमेंट्स हैव डिफरेंट properties and weight. Atoms cannot be created nor be destroyed, so a chemical reaction is nothing but a rearrangement of the atoms, and same number of the atoms must be present before and after the reaction. A compound is formed by the union of atoms on the atoms of one element with atoms of another element in fixed ratio of small whole number 1, 1:1, 1:3, etc. But all postulates of Dalton have been proved to be incorrect. For example, atoms is divisible in sense that it has structural subatomic particles are known. For example, electron, proton, neutron. Existence of isotopes for more elements, so that atoms of same elements need not have same mass. Atomic weight of an element is in fact a means of atomic mass of the different isotopes of the elements. Part of atomic mass can be destroyed and an equivalent amount of energy is to be released during the nuclear fission. Atoms combine in fixed integral ratio. However, there are instances where atoms combine in the non-integral ratio. For example, iron second with composition Fe 0.98 S. Okay. So there are many examples. Zinc oxide, zinc and oxygen have not combined in exactly, and these are the showing the different type of the stoichiometric and non-stoichiometric defects. So the atomic ratio of Zn is equal to 1 plus x is to 1, where x is very small fraction. Compounds of this kind, this type of the compounds are called non-stoichiometric compounds or Bertholide compounds, as against compounds whose formulae are accordant with the atomic theory and law of definite proportion. Question is that what is the atomic weight or atomic mass? It is the very simple concept, students. Atomic mass of an element can be defined as the number which indicates how many times the mass of one atom of the element is heavier in comparison to the mass of one atom of hydrogen if hydrogen atom selected as the standard. So here it is the multiple choice question here, which atom selected as the standard. So it is the hydrogen atom. Atomic weight is equal to weight of one atom of elements upon weight of the one atom of hydrogen. Okay, so this is the very simple like. For example, if we want to calculate the mass of the chlorine, so atomic mass of the chlorine is 35.5 and it is divided by the mass of the atom. So that means chlorine has 35.5 times heavier than an atom of hydrogen. इसका मतलब अगर क्लोरीन का मास 35.5 यूनिट है, इसका मतलब क्या है, क्लोरीन हाइड्रोजन की कंपेयर में 35.5 गुना भारी है. ठीक है. It was later felt that standard For reference for atomic weight may be oxygen, the advantage being that the atomic weight of most other elements become close to whole number. Okay, so the atomic weight of element is equal to weight of one atom of element upon 1 upon 16 into weight of one atom of oxygen. So suppose modern reference use the standard for the atomic weight is carbon atom isotope, which is the 12, means carbon 12 used as a standard for the modern concept. So here what is the atomic weight of element? Weight of one atom of elements upon 1/4 of weight of one atom of carbon 12. On the basis of atomic weight of oxygen 16 was changed on the 15.9994. Nowadays atomic weight is called relative atomic mass and denoted by the AMU or unit, atomic mass unit. Okay, the standard for atomic mass nowadays is the carbon 12. Now next is the atomic mass unit. It is the quantity of 1/12 mass of the atom of carbon 12 is known as the atomic mass unit. The actual mass of one atom of carbon 12 is 1.9924 into 10 to the power minus 23 gram or 1.994 into 10 to the power minus 26 kg. Okay student, so it is the fundamental and it is a multiple choice question. Every line is the multiple choice question here. Atomic mass of hydrogen is 1.008 AMU. In term of the gram it will be 1.008 into 10 1.992 into 10 to the power minus 20, that means 1.6736 into 10 to the power minus 24 gram. Okay, so by that method we calculate the mass of the atomic mass of the any kind of the molecule, any kind of the atom in the gram. Okay, so it is clear from the about that number 1, atomic weight or mass is not a weight but a number. Atomic weight is not absolute but relative to the weight of the standard reference element carbon 12. Gram atomic weight is the atomic weight expressed in gram, but it has a special significance with reference to a mole. Okay, so most of the elements occur in nature as a mixture of isotopes. Thus, average atomic mass of the various elements determined by the multiplying the atomic mass of each isotope by its fractional abundance and adding the value of the thus obtained by the fractional abundance is determined by the dividing percentage abundance by 100. For example, if we want to calculate the atomic mass of the chlorine, okay, fluorine, iron, so there are lot of, so suppose here we take the given that abundance of isotopes 54 Fe, 56 Fe, 57 Fe are 5%, 90% and 5%. So we take the average of the total data. Okay, average of the total data. So it is the very simple. So there are different type of the example. Now question is, what is the Avogadro number? It is the number of atoms in exactly 12 gram of carbon 12. This is experimentally determine the value is approximately 6.0221 into 10 to the power minus 23 gram atomic mass or gram atom. Gram atomic mass can be defined as the absolute mass in gram of 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 atoms of any element. That means mass of oxygen means 16 unit, that means 16 into 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 24 gram. So the absolute mass of 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 atoms of oxygen is what? 16 into 1.68 10 to the power minus 24 into 6.02 into 10 to power 23 gram means 16 unit. Okay, so what is the 16 gram? Means it is the total gram atomic mass of the 6.0223 into 10 to power 23. Means mass of one atom of oxygen is 16 AMU means unit, and gram atomic mass of oxygen is 16 gram. So second concept is the molecule. So what is the molecule? Avogadro suggested that fundamental chemical unit is not an atom but a molecule, which may be a cluster of atoms held together in the same manner, causing them to exist as unit. Okay, the term molecules means the smallest particle of an element or compound that can exist free and retain all its properties. Consider a molecule of carbon dioxide. It has been established that it contains one atom of carbon and two atoms of oxygen. This molecule can be split into atoms of carbon and oxygen. So, smallest particle of carbon dioxide can exist free and retain all its properties in its molecule of carbon dioxide. A carbon molecule should contain at least two different atoms. The term molecule is also applied to describe the smallest particle of an element which can exist free. Thus, a hydrogen molecule is proved to contain two atoms. When it is split into atoms, there will be observed a change in the property. Molecule of elementary gas like hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, chlorine, etc. contain two atoms. In molecules, they are diatomic. Molecules may be monoatomic, for example noble gases, okay, like helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon are monoatomic. Molecules of sulfur are 8 atomic or 6 atomic, while molecules of phosphorus contain 4 atoms. Means the number of the atoms, that means number of atoms of an element in a molecule of element is called as atomicity. Means atomicity is the total number of the atoms present in a molecule. So this is the very simple, students, here. Now second is the molecular weight. So it is the number of the times of a molecule is heavier than the 1/12 of the atom of carbon 12. Okay, means what is the molecular weight? Weight of one molecule. Okay, weight of one molecule means heavier than 1/12 of the atom of carbon 12. So molecular weight is not a weight but it is a number. Molecular weight is relative, not absolute. Molecular weight expressed in gram is called gram molecular weight, just like the gram atomic weight. Molecular weight is calculated by adding all atomic weight of all atoms in a molecule. So this is the very simple to calculate. For example, molecular weight of carbon dioxide is 44, that means 12 of carbon and 16 of 2 oxygen. So this is the total 44 unit. Molecular weight is also called the relative molecular mass. Second, next is the gram molecular mass. Gram molecule. So a quantity of substance whose mass in gram is numerically equal to the its molar mass molecular mass is called gram molecular mass. In other words, molecular mass of a substance is expressed in gram is called gram molecular mass gram molecule. For example, 71 unit of carbon when represented in the gram, that means 71 gram carbon dioxide, and it is the mass of the 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 molecules of chlorine. Okay, so gram molecular mass of oxygen is 32, nitric acid 63, etc. So this is the very simple to calculate the gram molar mass also here. Okay. Now next concept is the Avogadro hypothesis. What is this? Avogadro hypothesis, it states that equal volume of gas at same temperature and pressure contain equal number of the molecules. It means that 1 ml of hydrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide or mixture of gases take at the same temperature and pressure then contains same number of the molecules. Okay. Now next is the application. To prove the simple elementary gas molecules are diatomic, consider that experimental result: volume of hydrogen react with 1 volume of chlorine then form 2 volume of hydrogen chloride. Okay. So 1 volume contains n molecules, and n molecules of hydrogen, n molecules of chlorine form the 2n molecules of the hydrogen chloride. So student, it is the very simple. Means a molecules of hydrogen chloride should contains at least 1 atom of hydrogen and 1 atom of the chlorine. 2 molecules of hydrogen chloride contains at least 2 atom of hydrogen and 2 atom of chlorine. In the same case, other examples also here. For example, water contains 2 atom of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen. Second point is application. To establish the relative relationship between molecular weight and vapor density of gas, if we are able to calculate the vapor density of the gas with the help of the molecular weight. So what is the formula of vapor density? Molecular weight means weight of 1 liter of gas at STP is divided by the weight of 1 liter of hydrogen gas at STP. So it is very simple. Vapor density is also equal to the half of molecular weight of a gas. Suppose if any gas contain molecular weight 16, then its vapor density is 8. So that means molecular weight is equal to the twice of vapor density of a gas. Next, it is helpful in the calculation of gram molar volume, means molar volume. So how we calculate the molar volume, you know very well. Okay. So molar weight of the gas equal to twice of weight of 1 liter of gas at STP and weight of 1 liter of hydrogen gas at STP. So by this method we are able to calculate the gram molecular volume or molar volume. Now question is that student, what is the, so one thing is always remember that at STP the volume occupied by the gram molecular weight of any gas is called molar volume and its value is 22.4 liter at STP. मीन्स किसी भी गैस का मोलर वॉल्यूम STP पर बच्चों कितना होता है 22.4 लीटर होता है, ठीक है, लेकिन उसका वेट मोलर वेट के बराबर होना चाहिए. नाउ मोल्स, इट इज़ द अमाउंट यूनिट ऑफ मीन्स फिजिकल यूनिट ऑफ अमाउंट. द टर्म मोल वॉज इंट्रोड्यूस्ड बाय द ओस्टवाल इन 1896. दिस इज द लैटिन वर्ड. मोल्स मीन्स हीप और पाइल. A mole means mole is defined as the number of atoms in 12 gram of carbon 12, which is equal to 6.02 into 10 to the power 23. The number is known as the Avogadro number also. This is because it was given by the Avogadro. So mole is a unit which counts similar to dozen or grossage. This heap of 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 particles, atom, ion, molecules or objects is called 1 mole. Now if 1 mole, if heap, then it must have the weight and occupy the volume also. So what is volume? So one thing is remember that volume of 1 mole, so given, see the tabulation that 1 mole means total number of particles 6.02 into 10 to power 23 particles. 1 mole means 22.4 liter at STP. 1 mole means molar mass, or means molar mass means gram molar mass means W upon W equal to M means what is the 1 mole? W upon M. So both should be equal for the calculation of the 1 mole. Okay sir? So this is the very simple, and by this method we are able to calculate the vapor density. So there are large number of the examples here. Okay sir? Now we move on the next topic, and this topic is the percentage composition of compound. So it is a very simple. What is the percentage composition of a compound? So it is the relative mass of the each of the constituents elements in 100 parts of it, means percentage of the component part. How we calculate? It is the readily calculated from the formula of the compound. Molecular mass of compound is obtained from the its formula by the adding of the more masses of the all atoms of the constituents element. For example, formula of methyl alcohol is CH3OH. Now its total molar mass is 32 gram. Now if we want to calculate the mass percentage of carbon in the that, then carbon is one only, means there is only one atom, carbon atom. So we divide that mass to calculate the percentage in compound. So how? 12 upon 32 into 100. So what is the percentage? 37.5. In same case, hydrogen, there are 4 hydrogen, and every hydrogen is the of the 1 gram. So 4 into 1 upon 32 means 12.5 gram. But here oxygen is 16. So 16 upon 32 means 50%. Okay. So this is the very simple to calculate the mass percentage. Okay student. Now how we calculate the empirical formula, percentage and limited region, this will be studied in the next lecture. Okay, thank you and goodbye.